guys, I just want to share itong idea ko. I was thinking about it kanina nung nakita kong marami pa pala akong extra na aluminum string na binili ko nung Christmas sa part of my Christmas decor. So marami pa akong leftover. Mabibili nyo lang to sa mga hardware and buy it dito sa Philippines. So I was kind of bored, so I thought about creating this new decor for Valentine's Day. So gumawa ako ng parang petals na flower, no? Kinerve ko lang siya. You can do this, guys. So basically, yung pinaka-tip nitong aluminum, i-curve nyo lang the way you wanted it. So kinerve ko lang siya. You can see here. I started this na gumawa ko kunwari ng stem, and then ito naman yung parang flower niya. So i-move nyo lang, see? Yung curve nyo lang siya na para siyang petals, ganon, until you make your like looking flower, ganyan. Okay, sana nakikita nyo. And then i-wrap around nyo lang para maging stem. Okay, wrap around nyo lang siyang ganyan. I hope you guys can see that. Tama? Okay. See? And then, once I get to finish this, no? Dito, bumili ako nung Christmas, may mga Christmas lights ako na binili ko extra. I was thinking to add it para sa Valentine's decor ko naman. So, it's all red. This is a steady Christmas lights na steady string of lights na red. And then, bumili ako ng ito red din siya, pero blinking siya. So, ito yung brand niya. Binili ko sa isa para sa mga parang, hindi ko matandaan kung Korean or Japanese na store. So, binili ko siya. It's like around 200 pesos to less than 300 pesos. Almost like $2 to $3 lang. So, yan. So, i-wrap around ko to both dito sa mga stem, sa petals niya ng flower. So, yung parang, kumbaga, ito, parang pinaka-tip ng papasok ko siya dito, i-wrap around ko siya, ganyan, para magiging mag-glow yung aking yan, nakita mo? Okay? So, ganyan. I hope you guys can see that and try it at home. Just be creative sa bahay. Look for something that you can still use. Like, this is all out of the Christmas decor that I have na leftover. So, I'm kind of bored. Nag-iisip ako lagi ng idea to how to decorate my house without spending a lot of money. So, dito sa Philippines, I thought about this today. So, I'm gonna wrap around it here to make my flower looks good. Tapos, i-hang ko siya sa front ng house ko kasi sa taas, sa second floor ng front ng house ko, walang Valentine's decor beside the Christmas light that I did sa baba. So I'll show you guys a little video or picture once I get to finish all this and share it with you guys. I hope you guys can do the same thing at home. Be creative and be wisely to spend money in creating para mas magandang nakikita ng iba, na-appreciate nila yung decor mo, and they would know na you didn't really spend that much money. Okay? So, happy Valentine's in advance, and take care. God bless you guys, and thank you for liking and subscribing to my channel or sharing it, the DIY Valentine's decor that I have. Okay? Salamat sa inyong lahat, and God bless guys. Hope you like it. Thank you. Bye.